Your amazing liver, a superhero in disguise. Your liver is a powerhouse. It's your body's natural detoxifier, working tirelessly to filter toxins and keep your blood clean. This amazing organ plays a crucial role in digestion, metabolism, and even fighting off infections. But just like any superhero, your liver can get overworked and tired. An unhealthy lifestyle can take a toll, leading to liver damage. The good news is that your liver has an incredible ability to repair itself. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can help your liver regenerate and thrive. This guide will give you the tools you need to support your liver health and keep this vital organ functioning at its best. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Your liver works hard, often without complaint. But when it's struggling, it sends out signals. Understanding these warning signs is crucial for early detection and treatment. Feeling unusually tired all the time? Notice your skin or eyes looking yellowish? These could be signs your liver needs attention. Other red flags include unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, and swelling in your legs or ankles. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Talk to your doctor right away. Early detection is key to preventing serious liver problems. The good news is that supporting your liver health doesn't require drastic measures. Small, sustainable changes can make a world of difference. Start by embracing a plant-based diet. Fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains are packed with nutrients that support liver function. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated fats, which can burden your liver. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including liver detoxification. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Regular exercise also benefits your liver by helping maintain a healthy weight and improving blood flow. Section 4. Mythbusters. Separating fact from liver fiction. There are many myths surrounding liver health. Let's debunk some common misconceptions. Myth: only alcoholics get liver disease. Fact: while excessive alcohol consumption is harmful, other factors like obesity, viral hepatitis, and certain medications can also damage the liver. Myth: you can't reverse liver damage. Fact: your liver has an amazing capacity for regeneration. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can often reverse early-stage liver damage and improve its function. Myth: detox teas and supplements are essential for liver cleansing. Fact: your liver is a self-cleaning organ. Focus on a healthy diet and lifestyle instead of relying on quick fixes. Section 5. A day in the life. Your liver-loving routine. Incorporate these simple habits into your daily routine to show your liver some love. Wake up with lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon juice. This helps stimulate digestion and supports your liver's natural detoxification process. Enjoy a liver-friendly breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast, like oatmeal with berries, whole wheat toast with avocado, or a smoothie packed with fruits and greens. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep a water bottle handy and sip on water regularly. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. Move your body. Engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, your body, including your liver, repairs and rejuvenates itself. Section 6. Regeneration and hope. Your liver's incredible ability to heal. Your liver is a resilient organ. By making positive changes to your lifestyle and seeking medical guidance when needed, you can support its remarkable ability to heal. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your liver. Embrace a holistic approach to liver health by focusing on a nutritious diet, regular exercise, stress management, and avoiding harmful substances. With consistent effort, you can empower your liver to regenerate, thrive, and continue its vital role in keeping you healthy. As we conclude our journey through liver health, Remember that taking care of your liver is a lifelong commitment. By understanding the signs, adopting healthy habits, and debunking myths, you are already on the path to a healthier you. Your liver's ability to heal is truly remarkable, and with your dedication, it can continue to support your overall well-being. Take a moment to reflect on what you've learned and how you can implement these changes in your daily life. Small steps can lead to significant improvements. Whether it's choosing a balanced meal, going for a walk, or simply taking a moment to breathe and relax, every action counts. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Together, we can make the journey to a healthier life an inspiring and achievable goal. Thank you for watching, and here's to your liver's health and your continued well-being.